Hey Jarvis, can you turn on bedroom?
The bedroom lights are now on.
Can you set the bedroom to red?
The bedroom is now red.
Set it back to warm white.
The bedroom is set to warm light.
What else can you do, buddy?
I can control all your devices, like switches and fans, give you summaries of your sensors or the printer, and manage your media library or downloads. I can also delegate things to a deeper agent if you need recommendations or web tasks. Anything
Okay,
specific
okay.
you have in mind?
Can you tell me what's happening in the bedroom? Like what's the temperature and everything?
It's around 33 degrees in the bedroom with humidity in the mid 40s. The air quality is good with PM 2.5 at 8 micrograms.
Okay. Can you tell me what's happening on the 3D printer?
Printo's printing. It's about 32% done with about an hour and 26 minutes left. Should finish around 8:32 p.m. Bed and nozzle temps are both of their targets.
Nice. Can you also suggest me what I can watch tonight?
You could finish watching the One Piece episode you have in progress, or maybe get back to Lost. If you want something new, Doom Part 2 is just added.
Can you download a good sci-fi movie for me, which is like recently trending and has some good reviews?
Doom Part 2 is apparently trending with great reviews, and I actually already have it. Would you like me to download it anyway?
No, no, find something new which we don't have it already.
I couldn't find any new sci fi titles that are trending and not already in your library. Is there a specific movie you'd like me to look up?
Uh, okay, can you download Sinners?
There are a few movies named Sinners. The most recent one is from 2025. Is that the one you had in mind?
Yes, let's go for it.
It looks like Sinners 2025 is already in your library, but it hasn't been downloaded. I'll start the download now.
Perfect, buddy. That's really helpful.